Molten lava cake recipe. Dark chocolate 250 gram. Cut it and put it into the bowl. Boil water and melt the chocolate. Maida 1 cup. Icing sugar 1 cup. Cocoa powder 1/3 cup. Vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. Baking soda 1 teaspoon. Milk 1 cup. Mix it well. Add butter 1/4 cup. Grease the cup with oil. Maida and cocoa powder for sprinkle. Add lava mixture. Add melted chocolate. Refrigerate it for 5 minutes. Microwave it for 8 to 10 minutes. Ready. Try it with ice cream. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.